Before I even say anything, I just want y'all to know something. You're about to witness one of the greatest art pieces I have ever made in my entire life. If you don't believe me, stick around and watch the full video. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. Before we get started, hit the like button, Shinobi strike it. Hit that subscribe button, comment down below your first impression. And then at the end, did you think it was gonna look like that? I don't know how I'm making this intro right now. This is how it's gonna be. Yep, this video is extra. Yeah, go ahead and roll the clip.
You are watching a master at work.
It's you and me. It's my voice talking cheap on the telephone. It's where I've been. It's the proof that I waited to say I'm wrong. Stuck inside my head that November. You know I never been the type to get up and surrender. That's how I feel. I don't ask, you don't sell, find a way to deal. Standing in the sun, mid-December, listening to the songs that I know you love. Take me back in time, when we used to fly miles above. I don't wanna come back down.
I just want y'all to know. Wait a minute. Hold up. I just saw it unfold for myself for like I'm sleepy. I just got off of work. By the way, I got a new job. What was I saying? I just watched the video unfold for like the first time, edited the video the way I did, and I just let it like, I felt like I should have just let it marinate because I didn't have any more ideas for it, and I didn't know what I needed next. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna put it down, and when an idea comes, that's when I'll do it. So yeah, that's what brought me to the video that you just seen before your eyes. And besides the video, how do you like the drawing? What we're here for? You know, you're here for my art. How do you like the drawing? Please let me know in the comment section, and you know, Shinobi striking the like button if you didn't, or didn't. If you did, Shinobi strike the like button. If you didn't, you know, go ahead, hit the dislike. It you know, it's cool. You know, some people like, some people don't. I typically, you know, don't let it get to me because, you know, there's always going to be somebody that likes banana pudding. You know what I'm saying? Just saying. Seriously, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. There's so much more to come. I'm just going to let you guys off of that. I'm getting more consistent. I'm just going to say I have a special someone that is really pushing me. If you stayed around for this, I'm just gonna say it. It feels fucking amazing. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Thank you guys, and as we always say, peace and sayonara.